friend is Mrs. Kalka, and I have Logan and I have Christian, and we are coming to you to read you a story tonight. And the story is called Don't Push the Button. It's written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. The author is the person who writes the words, and the illustrator is the person who draws the pictures. And Bill Cotter did both. He's the author and the illustrator. Don't push the button. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. Oh, look at his eyes. Don't think about pushing the button. It does look pretty nice though. Maybe you should give the button one little push. Ah! Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Ah! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times.
Oh. What happened?
So many Larrys. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Almost. A little more.
Push button.
Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal.
How did you?
That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. The end. Christian and Logan love this story. It's a great one. Thank you. Bye.